Aloha from Kona, Hawaii. I'm Lauren Cunningham, and I'm here to tell you about the mapping seminar. It's something that God does. In Acts chapter 17, verse 26, it says that God made all the nations and He gives them their boundaries. So where He has gone with His finger, writing the maps of the world, you get to follow Him. For in Mark 16:15, it says, go into all the world. Now you have to have maps and preach the gospel to every creature. Well, every creature are the demographics. So we need to learn what map making is all about for the cause of missions. That's why we want to invite you to be a part of Mapping for Missions. You're going to learn lots and you're going to love it.
Hello, I'm David Hamilton, and I'm the Vice President for Strategic Innovation of YWAM's Universe of the Nations and the architect of the 4K map. I want to encourage you to pray about mapping for missions. This seminar is vital in the 21st century. It helps teach you how to research, how to make maps that show where human need is, and how to develop strategies of God's response in order to see transformation of the kingdom of God in every Omega Zone, in every nation on earth. The time that you'll have in this course will be vitally important. It will be a time when your eyes are open and your heart is enlarged and your mind is able to see things that you've never seen before. New tools will be placed in your hands, and with this you will be able to be a change agent in your generation.
Hi, I'm Ariel, and I'm based in South Asia, and I'm working on a 4K project in our region. The Mapping for Mission seminar has been really helpful for me over the last 2 weeks. It's laid a foundation for me that I can use to do better research in our region. I've learned how to create maps that will be helpful for our workers in the field in making strategic decisions.
Hi, my name is Susanne Merz, and I'm from Germany. And I did this mapping seminar here in Kona, Hawaii, and I just loved it. I want to use this, like what I learned, in order to focus more on my project, which is World Hunger. I want to map it out to see where the greatest need is, and I want to use it to really strategize and how we can really solve problems. And I just want to use it to communicate and to fulfill the Great Commission.
Hello, I'm Jeff Waddell, part of the Water for Life crew here in Kona, Hawaii, and I just had the opportunity of attending the mapping seminar here in Kona, and I would fully recommend it to you. In Water for Life, we're going to take advantage of this mapping technology so that we can take a look not only at the places we've been and the places we've been able to help people, but then overlay that map with information. Information such as where people are dying of dehydration, where people have no clean drinking water to drink. And when we have that information together, we'll better know where to go next. So the mapping seminar has been really good for us. It's helping us be more strategic in our mission, and I fully recommend it to you. Thank you so much for the teachers and the time they spent with us. The mapping seminar was a great place to be.
Hello, my name is Nadia, and I'm from Germany, and I attended the mapping seminar. I'm blown away by what it actually can do and what it did to me and what it did in my life, and just how to put it so visual on paper, and then you have all those things you can do with it, like praying and just showing people what is actually happening in the world.
My name is Alan Robbins. I'm one of the leaders with the UBIN College of Counseling and Healthcare, and I've really enjoyed the Mapping for Missions seminar this week. We've had so much information that we've wanted to display on maps that we've been able to produce this week, both on where we've been working, the extent of our ministry over the last 25 years, but also really focusing on where we should be working, looking at reams of information that we've had that until we map it, we can't really see where the priorities should be. So it's been great fun getting to use this new software and starting to produce what will be probably hundreds of maps that we'll be able to do on health and counseling related issues.